Sister Beat, shout out Ads.tv. Here we go. Yeah. Since the beginning I swore that I would devour the game. I'll douse the fire on your hottest shit by making it rain. This is survival of the fittest, and I'm topping the chain and putting on for my city, cause all the others are lame. So many questioning, but don't have the balls to confront. Said I posting a piece of status as I bitch made cunts. I've had mates turn sour as I grew to advance, cause my syllable game's cold. I've been flowing in avalanche, son I'm murderous, pulling motivation from negatives and touching on topics I would categorize as sensitive, addressing shit, whether emotional or hellishness. I've been running the scene like the Northeast president, it's evident. I put everything on the line for this. Education wasn't me, I couldn't find the time for it. I've always dreamt big, look beyond the atmosphere. I belong among the stars, but as of now I'm stranded here. I may be a nobody, but I strive to be famous and contaminate the game until everyone knows the name is Paul. That kid with the heart of a lion in his chest, struggling to elevate out the good as shit. I'm dug in rest, cause every second of every minute my heart beats. I sacrifice normality to bleed my pen onto the sheet. It's more than words to me, just listen, you can feel my pain. I would die for this shit, cause without it would fry my brains. They told me I wouldn't amount to shit, but I don't fuck with giving up, so I just persevered with it. You see, I'm from a place where no one cares about the real, and everyone you think you can trust are a bunch of imbeciles. But I don't hide behind false image, I'm doing me, so you can keep gassing about your partying and smoking weed. I don't give a fuck anymore, say what you wanna say. Friends are not for me, I was born to be alone anyways. Yeah, shout out Ads.tv, the Sister Beat, and I'm out.
I'm worth living, and fucking 9 to 5, I'd rather spend my life in prison. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate all that I've been given, but won't be satisfied until the day the planet listens. An average lifestyle ain't what I'm living, cause I want so much more. I'd give my all for everything.